Bitcoin 15-minute time frame. Let's talk about those two sell opportunities, what was happening Monday morning. So first, let's go start with the journey. We have nice movement here, pushing higher, ding 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 ding, all the way to the here. What is a rejection high, and the same time is our major high, and the same time that's the principle what you're looking. If you wanna buy, so for me the buy opportunities is above this area. But here you can see when the price is creating a rejection high and now is pushing down, and we can see here we are creating the holder. You can see we have nice W pattern here. We have nice W pattern here, and then price get rejected, and what is happen? We break under, retest, and creating the new low here. So price is going back in the same place, above it, try to hold it. We can see another W here. Price try to hold it, and when we have time to respect the principle, what is happening? Price is breaking down again and get retested, creating another holder here. And now you can see price is going again above this area. We have nice retest, but price didn't break the highs anymore. And what we see? We see super nice breaking structure, and what is happened now after this movement? We break the lows. Now we can see we break the lows, and we know this area here is pushing down heavily. It's the fear zone. All this above this holder, it is a fear zone. I was more patient. I was looking at here. I want to see what is going on, and then what I was seeing is the price was going back on the main place, what is pushing higher, and then I was waiting a retest. Price is now bouncing back up, and we get the new retest, exactly what is here. We have the same retest here. That was my first sell, and then price is breaking the minor holder, and we have close under, and we have super nice retest, and price my day profit back to the previous major lows. And you can see the prices even after that keep continuing downside. Very good, very simple trade if you're patient and you know what you're doing, and you have those whys why the price is doing that. If you know why, it's very smooth. Just a bit patient and gathering information and make the journey. And we can see already here this pattern is pushing downside, this pattern is pushing downside, and now we have a rejection and the second rejection. So the second retest was the entry, and then we break the microstructure, break and retest was the second entry. Here we break under, retest, and going. Exactly the same principle what we are looking above here. Break, retest, and going. The same what is already here. Super simple, just gathering information, and you can see we have a bunch of those W patterns. W pattern here, W pattern here, W pattern here, W pattern here, and now the first time we have an M pattern. What is a bearish pattern? M pattern, breaking structure, retest, and going back to the original low. So we complete the bearish pattern principle. But right now all those W patterns here, we fail it. Can we go back to the highs? No, we fail it. Like we fail 1, 2, 3, 4 W patterns. What is bullish patterns? And then we have one bearish pattern and we complete it. So we respect the bearish pattern. And now the price is going under. We break the lows, and now we have one rejection and the second rejection. And second rejection happened only because we respected this holder here what is pushing higher. But at the same time, the same low what is right now pushing higher was breaking our minor lows previously. Well, both of those. Very clean and smooth trade. Simple. Disrespect and respect, and you can see here respecting and respecting. The main holder, you can see how we created here, how price is respecting 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 here. You can see those moments. It's the main area there. But overall, that was a trade. That was the story behind it. You have to keep your trading very simple, otherwise you start overthinking and there is too much emotion involved, and most likely if you're already that side, you get stopped out and you get stopped out and you get stopped out because you are thinking. You're thinking too much. You have to master the flow, and of course here how we first created. You have to master the flow and jump in the flow, because if you're, for example, the W pattern, if you're already thinking, the W pattern, that means you don't have to think anymore in the future inside the flow. You don't have to think twicely, thirdly, because you already done thinking. That's why it's important to be in the flow state. Otherwise, overthinking, over leveraging, and so on and so on and so on. I'm gonna finish this right now. I'm gonna make the next video on my stop loss. I get stopped out of the GJ, and I'm gonna make the next video about that. I see you in the next video. Thank you and ciao.